Morning students. In previous class, we are discussing about different types of functions. Remember, there are five important different types of functions, namely one-one function. Another name of one-one function is injective function, onto function. Another name of onto is surjective function. Type number 3, bijective function. Type number 4, inverse function. Type number 5, composite function. Okay, now based on these five types of functions, today I am going to deal with solving the problems based on different types of functions. Okay, now your first problem. Now identify. Look here. That is most important. Main problem number 1. Check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions. Verify the following functions are injectivity means one function and surjectivity means onto function. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು one ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು onto ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಎರಡು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, both one and onto ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, now here the first question. F is a function from n to n in set of natural number to natural number defined by image of x is equal to x square. Verify whether that function is one function or not. You know the definition of one function. In general, image of x1 is equal to image of x2 means f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Whereas onto function is codomain is equal to range. That is mathematically f of x equal to y. If f of x equal to y, that condition is satisfied, it is said to be onto function. Now first we have to identify whether it is one or not. Now definition of one, take f of x1 is equal to f of x. This implies, now we should prove that x1 is equal to x. Since f of x equal to x square, replace x by x1. What is f of x1? x1 square. What is f of x2? x2 square. x1 square is equal to x2 square. Taking the square root on both sides. Let us take square root to x1 is equal to x. Right? Square root of x1 square is x1. Square root of x2 square is x2. So x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f from n to n is what? One function. It is one. Is it onto function? Onto ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, onto ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Codomain is equal to range. Now or mathematically codomain equal to range mathematically to prove that f of x equal to what? Let y is equal to f of x. What is f of x value? Given x square. Okay. Therefore x is equal to, taking the square root of both sides, x is equal to root y. Is it root y is natural number? No, does not belong to natural number. Therefore, codomain is not equal to range. Codomain is not equal to range. Therefore, f from n to n is not onto. It is only one. Okay, then you know idea what is after another method. You can use trial and error method using Venn diagram. You will use solve model one onto. F from n to n. N means what? Natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Here also same number of elements. Okay, this is x domain. Codomain is x square. Put x is 1, 1 square is 1. Put x is 2, 2 square is 4. Put x is 3, 3 square is 9. Somewhere here clearly image of element. Now the different elements of first set we have different images. 1 is to 1. One element one image is it is 1. Is it onto? Onto ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ? 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Suppose if you take 2 belongs to codomain. Codomain value is x square. X square value 2 are what is domain x value root 2. But root 2 is natural number? No. Here codomain is not equal to range. Is ಬರಲು ಸಾಕು. Codomain is not equal to range. Therefore f is not onto function. It is only one function. Dear students, similarly, second example in range f is a function from Z to Z. Z means what? Integer. Set of integer to integer. Defined by f of x is equal to x squared. Now verify whether it is 1 1 as well as on 2. Now definition of 1 1. Let f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies f of x1 is x squared. F of x1 is x1 squared. F of x2 is x2 squared. Right? Now taking the root on both sides, x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. Plus or minus x2. Here x1 is equal to x2, okay. Or x1 is equal to minus x2. Is it true? Not true. Therefore, f from z to z is not 1 1. Is not 1 1. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ another method using Venn diagram. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ clear picture ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Or Venn diagram z to z. Z means what? Integers. Set of all integers, namely 0 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 and so on. Now here also same number minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 and so on. Right? Now this is domain x. Codomain is x square. Take 1 by 1. Put x is 0. 0 square is 0. Put x is 1. 1 square is 1. Put x is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ 1 1 ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ so it is not R2 here ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ f of 1 is equal to 1 image of 1 is 1 and f of minus 1 is also 1. So therefore f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1 because f of 1 value 1. F of minus 1 value is also 1. So f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1. x1 f of x1 is equal to f of x2. But 1 is equal to minus 1. Is it true? Not true. 1 is not equal to minus 1. Is it x1 is equal to x2? No, x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore f is not 1 1. Is it onto function? Onto ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ no ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು -1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ -1 belongs to codomain ಸರ್ ಇದರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳೋಣ -1 belongs to codomain -1 ಎದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದು x square value now here x square value is -1 ಹೌದಾ what is x value x value is root of -1 root of -1 is nothing but imaginary one is it belongs to integer no does not belong to integer now here codomain is not equal to range ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೋದು ಸಾಕು codomain is not equal to range ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ x square is equal to -1 x is equal to root of -1 that is r does not belong to integer ಇದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ -2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ if you take 2 ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x square value 2 x value root 2 but root 2 is integer no does not belong to integer so it is not onto it is not 1 1 ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 1 ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ onto ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ therefore f from z to z is not onto it is not 1 1 and it is not onto function ಎರಡು ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ onto ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ f of x equal to y satisfied ಆಗಬೇಕು codomain is equal to range ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು codomain range ಎರಡು equal ಆಗಿದ್ದು it is onto okay then third example problem number 3 third problem ಏನಿದೆ f from third problem f from r to r defined by f of x is equal to x square verify whether it is 1 1 function as well as onto function now it is not 1 1 because let take one number f of 1 is equal to put x is 1 1 square is 1 and f of minus 1 put x equal to -1 -1 square is also 1 therefore f of 1 is equal to f of -1 but 1 is not equal to -1 is it 1 is equal to -1 no not equal in general f of x1 equal to f of x2 but x1 is not equal to x2 therefore f is not 1 1 F11 R is I2. Is it onto function? Onto ಆಗೋದು ನೋಡಿ definition of onto. Codomain is equal to range ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಮೆಥಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ f of x equal to 1. Okay, f of x equal to 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ using Venn diagram ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ easy method. Okay. So f from R to R, this is x, that is x square, real numbers, so many real numbers. Okay. Now here 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3 and so on. Here also same number. Then not only that number, so many numbers, namely root 2, root 5, root 7, minus root 2, start to the numbers. Put x is 0, 0 square is 0. Put x is 1, 1 square is 1, x is minus 1, minus 1 square is also 1. So f of 1 is 1, f of minus 1 is also 1. So f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1, but 1 is not equal to minus 1. It is not 1, 1. Is it onto function? No. Here codomain is not equal to range. ಯಾಕೆ ಬದಲ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ onto ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ಉಳಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ -1 ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ -1 belongs to codomain. -1 belongs to codomain. That is codomain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು x square. x square is equal to -1. Therefore x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ root of -1. Root of -1 is on. Is it belongs to real number? No, does not belong to real number. So codomain is not equal to range. For example, one example ತೋರಿಸಿ. Okay. Therefore f from R to R is not onto. It is not 1 1 and it is not onto. 1 1 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು onto ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು problems. Okay. Now next one, fourth one ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. f from n to n defined by f of x equal to x cube. Very fun. Whether is it 1 1 and then onto function. Fourth problem, f from n to n defined by image of x is equal to x. Is it 1 1 function as well as onto function. So definition of 1 1 function, let f of x1 is equal to f of x implies. Now to prove that x1 is equal to x, f of x value x cube. What is f of x1? Replace x by x1. x1 cube is equal to replace x by x2. x2. Now taking the cube root on both sides, therefore x1 is equal to x2. Taking cube root on both sides, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f from n to n is 1 1 function. Is it onto function? No, it is not onto. Take one example. Verify. Is it onto function or not? For example, take one number. Say 2 belongs to codomain. That is natural number. Codomain natural number. Okay, that is x square is equal to codomain is x cube. Codomain is x cube, right? X cube is equal to 2r. What is x value? X value is cube root of 2. Is it belongs to natural number? No, does not belong to natural number. Therefore, codomain is not equal to range. Codomain is not equal to range. onto ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ codomain ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಉಳಿಬಾರ್ದು, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ onto. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ f of x equal to 1 ಅದಾಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಗ codomain is not equal to range. How? One example ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Say 2 belongs to codomain or take 3 belongs to natural number codomain. Now x cube value codomain is x cube. What is domain? X value cube root of 2. Is it cube root of 2 is natural number? ಅದರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದೆ ತಾನೇ ಇದು? No. So codomain is not equal to range. Therefore it is not onto. So in this example it is only 1 1, but it is not onto function. Clear students? And next one is fifth one, f from set of integer to integer defined by f of x is equal to x cube. F of x equal to x cube. Verify whether it is one function as well as onto function or not. Okay. Now take Venn diagram, easy method Venn diagram. This is my reference. Z to Z. Z means what? Integer 0, 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3, plus 4, minus 4, and so on. Here also same number of elements, right? Same number of elements. Take one by one. This is domain. Second set is codomain. Domain is x. Codomain is x cube. Put x is 0, 0 cube is 0. Put x is 1, 1 cube is 1. Put x is minus 1, minus 1 cube is minus 1. Put x is 2, 2 cube is 8. Somewhere here 8, 8 is also integer. Put x is minus 2, somewhere it is here, minus 8, and so on. Identify, is it 1 function? The 1 yes, it is 1. Different elements we have, different images. Now here, in general, that f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies f of x value x cube. Now therefore f of x1 is x1 cube is equal to x cube cube. Taking the cube from both sides, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 function. F from z to z is 1 function. Is it onto function? No. Why? Take two element theory. Now here verify. Now clearly f is not onto. F is not onto. Because take one example. For example, take 2 belongs to codomain n. 2 belongs to codomain z, not n, that is z. Okay, so that is 2 belongs to codomain. What is codomain? Codomain is x cube. X cube value 2 are. What is domain x value? X value 2 root of 2. Is it belongs to integer? No, does not belong to integer. Therefore, codomain is not equal to range. Codomain is not equal to range. Therefore, f is not onto. It is only 1, but it is not onto. There does the final exam. Each question carries 2 marks. Simple idea. Correct concept. Definition of 1 onto correct ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ರೇಂಜ್ onto ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ onto. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ onto. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Second problem. Show that the function f from r0 to r0 defined by f of x equal to 1 by x is 1 and onto, where r0 is the set of all non-zero real numbers. Take the real numbers except 0. 0 ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ 0 ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ. 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 upon take x value 0. 1 upon 0 is not defined. That's why the condition r0 to r0. r0 stand for set of all real numbers except 0. 0 ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, it is 1 and onto. Verify. Now here problem number 2. f from r0 to r0 set of real number except 0 defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x. Now to prove that it is 1 as well as onto. You know the definition of 1. In general, take f of x1 is equal to f of x2 to prove that x1 is equal to x2. Even f of x is 1 by x. Replace x by x1. F of x1 is 1 by x1. F of x2 is 1 by x2. Right? Taking the reciprocal or cross multiply, x1 into 1 x1 is equal to x2 into 1 x2. So x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 function. F from r0 to r0 is 1 function. Then onto, definition of onto, codomain is equal to range. Or to prove that mathematically f of x equal to 1, let y is equal to f of x. F of x will be given, that is 1 by x. Okay, so belongs to real number or not? Therefore, y is equal to 1 by x. Other, what is x is equal to? xy is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by y. That is also belongs to real number. Set of real number except 0. Okay, x is equal to 1 by y. Now to prove that mathematically f of x equal to 1. Therefore, f of x is equal to f of x value 1 by x. 1 divided by x. What is x value? 1 upon 1. 1 by y is nothing but 1. So f of x equal to 1. Therefore f of x is equal to 1. Codomain is equal to range. Therefore f from R0 to R0 is what? Onto. It is 1 as well as onto. 2 mark question. Very simple question. Concept ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. 1 function onto function perfect ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ definition. Okay, third problem. Third problem here, prove that the greatest integer function f from R to R, greatest integer function f from R to R, defined by f of x is equal to square bracket x, is neither 1 nor onto. 1 ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಆಗದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು, onto ಇರಬಹುದು, onto ಇರದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು. Where square bracket x denote greatest integer less than or equal to x. I think you have learned in first PU. You know the definition of greatest integer function. That is, greatest integer function is denote the greatest integer function less than or equal to x. Or another definition of greatest integer function, remember, square bracket x is equal to integer plus positive fraction, remember the definition, is equal to final answer become integer. Square bracket x is equal to integer plus positive fraction is equal to integer. This is the definition of greatest integer function. Or another definition, greatest integer function less than or equal to x. Now for example, greatest integer function of 2. How to write it? 2? 2 can be as 2 plus 0.0. 0.0 is nothing but 0 is equal to integer. Greatest integer function of 2 is 2. What is greatest integer function of 2.5? How to write it? Integer. What is number integer equal to 2 plus positive fraction. Positive fraction ಇರಬೇಕು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. It should be positive fraction. 2.5 can be written as 2 plus 0.5. 2 plus 0.5 is 2.5 is equal to what? Integer. Integer is 2. Where square bracket x is greatest integer function less than or equal to x. Now here this is 2.5. That 2.5 is less than 2. Is it less than 2 or more than 2? More than 2. Now answer is 2. 2 is less than 2.5. Okay, here 2 is less than or equal to 2. Either less or equal to 2. Okay, take another example. What is greatest integer function of 3.4? How to write 3 plus 0.4 is equal to integer. Where are integer have 3. So greatest integer function of 3.4 is 3. Clearly 3 is less than 3.4. Okay, what about greatest integer function of minus 2.5? How to write? Integer plus positive fraction. ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. minus 2.5 can be written as minus 3 plus 0.5 plus ಇರಬೇಕು. Don't write minus 2 plus 0.5. Minus 2 plus 0.5 is not equal to minus 2.5. Don't take minus 2 minus 0.5 because the definition of square bracket x is integer plus positive fraction. Minus 3 plus 0.5 is equal to integer value minus 3. Clearly minus 3 is less than minus 2.5. Okay, so these are the examples of greatest integer function, right? Now what is greatest integer function of 1? 1 plus 0.0, that is integer 1. What is greatest integer function of 1.1? How to write 1 plus 0.1? Integer is 1. These are the examples of greatest integer function. Now f is a function from R to R, real number to real number. So many real numbers. Root value is also real number. Irrational is also real number. Okay. Now whenever verify whether greatest integer function is 1 1 as well as 1 2 or not. Now check it. Now here f of x equal to square bracket x. Given f of x equal to square bracket x. Now take f of 1 is equal to, put x equal to 1, square bracket 1 is equal to 1, right? Then f of 1.1, square bracket 1.1, square bracket 1.1 value how much? 1. Observe it, f of 1 is 1, f of 1.1 is also 1. Observe it directly. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to f of 1.1. f of 1 is 1, f of 1.1 is also 1. Therefore, is it 1 is equal to 1.1? No, 1 is not equal to 1.1. Therefore, f is not 1 1. f is not 1 1. Onto function ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Onto function definition of onto ಏನು? Codomain is equal to range. Is it satisfied? No. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ square bracket 2.5 value 2. Square bracket 2.5 is 2. Square bracket 3.4 is 3. ಹೌದಾ? Greatest integer of function of x is 3 ಆದರೆ what is x value? 3.4. Greatest integer function of x is minus 3. What is x value? Minus 2.5. Okay. So it should be integer. Okay. Greatest integer. But here real number. Is it range of the function is equal to real number? No. It should be only integer. Because the question is greatest integer. Integer only ಇರಬೇಕು. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾನ? Real number ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾನ. Is it root 2 is integer? Root 5 is integer? Root 7 is integer? No. But ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು real number ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Real number ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ onto ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ definition of greatest integer. It should be only integer ಇರಬೇಕು. These are all integers. Okay. Now root 5 ತಗೊಂಡೆ. Suppose square bracket x is equal to root 5. Of course, root 5 is integer. No, it is not integer. It is real number. But our question is greatest integer. So clearly here range of f is not equal to real number. Range of f is integer only, but it's not real number. Therefore, f is not onto. Then greatest integer function is not 1 1, which is not onto. 1 1 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, onto ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐಡಂಬತ್ರ ಇದು remember. Fourth problem. Show that the function f from set of real number to real number defined by f of x is equal to modulus function mod x is neither 1 1 nor onto. Again ಇದು 1 1 ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಆಗದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು, onto ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಆಗದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು. Where mod x, definition of mod x is given. You know the definition of modulus function. Already you learned in first PU. What is that? Modulus of x is equal to x itself if the condition x should be positive. X is more than 0. Mod x is equal to minus x. Condition x is less than 0. Okay. So modulus of x is equal to plus x. Mod that is x is more than 0. Modulus of x is minus x if x is less than 0. Already learned in first PU. You know the graph of the modulus function like this. V shape. This is the graph of modulus function. Right? Now show that modulus function neither 1 1 nor onto. Definition of 1 1 and onto. Take one particular example. Now let f of 1 is equal to, put x is 1, modulus of 1 that is equal to 1 because 1 is more than 0, and f of minus 1 modulus of minus 1. Minus 1 is less than 0. Minus 1, x value minus 1. Minus 1 less than 0. Its value is minus x. X value minus 1. that is plus 1. F of 1 is 1. F of minus 1 is also 1. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1. Both are equal, but is it x1 is equal to x2? Is it 1 is equal to minus 1? No, 1 is not equal to minus 1. Therefore, f is not 1 function. F is not 1 function. Then verify whether it is onto function. No relay. Real number to real number onto operator. Now you take a simple example using Venn diagram R to R. This is x, this is mod x. Okay, 0, 1, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, root 2, plus or minus root 3. These are all real numbers. Plus or minus root 5. Here also same number. Okay. These are the same real numbers. Okay. Now mod 0 is 0. Modulus of 1 is plus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is also plus 1. So it is not 1, 1. Then is it onto function? Mod 2 is plus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is also plus 2. Okay. Modulus of root 2. Root 2 is plus root 2. Modulus of minus root 2 is minus root 2. Now look here. Mod x codomain value. If you take mod x is minus root 2. Mod x value minus root 2. What is x value? X value is what take. Mod x value negative value ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is x value? X value ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. No. Is there? ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is codomain. Okay. ಈಗ ನಾನು minus root 2 ತಗೊಂಡೆ. Or if you take 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Minus 2. See, mod x value minus 2. Okay. What is x value? X value ಏನು ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. No man. So here clearly codomain is not equal to real number, or range is not equal to range of f is not equal to real number. Therefore f from R to R is not onto. Now if the modulus function is not 1, 1, not onto in the set of real number to real number. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ onto ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? So remember, greatest integral function from set of real number to real number is not 1, 1, not onto, whereas modulus function is not 1, 1, not onto function. Okay, now here one more problem. One problem here, right? So problem number 5. Fifth problem. Show that the function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 1 if x is more than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0, is neither 1, 1 nor onto. Is neither 1, 1 nor onto. No, read out here. Is no question and power. This type of function here, this is known as signum function. You already first PU. The function f from R to R is given by f of x equal to 1 if x is more than 0, 0 and x equal to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0. Such function is known as signum function. Graph of signum function. Do you know? This is x-axis, this is 1, this is minus 1. Here, this is 0, this is shaded portion, this is minus 1, this is y is equal to plus 1, y is equal to minus 1. This is the graph of the signum function, isn't it? Show that signum function is 1, 1 as well as onto or not. Check. 4. Now here solution 1. Take one simple example. F of 1 is equal to 4 x equal to 1. X value 1. Clearly 1 is more than 0. Correct? X value 1 more than 1 is more than 0. Yes. However, 1 more than 0 value 1. What is F of 2? 4 x is 2. Is it 2 is more than 0 or less than 0? 2 is more than 0. 2 is more than 0 again its value 1. If you take 3 to 100, F of 3. 3 is more than 0 again its value 1. F of 4 is more than 0 its value is 1. All things therefore F of 1 is equal to F of 2 because F of 1 is 1. F of 2 is also 1. F of 10 is also 1. F of 1000 is also 1 because 1000 is more than 0. X is more than 0 its value 1. Isn't it? So F of 1 is equal to 1, F of 2 is 1, F of 1 is equal to F of 2. Therefore, is it 1 is equal to 2? No, 1 is not equal to 2. F of x1 equal to F of x2. Is it x1 equal to x2? No, x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore, F is not 1 function. ಇದು 1 ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Is it onto function? Onto function ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. You take a simple Venn diagram for your reference. ನಿಮ್ಮ reference ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ R to R. So many real numbers 0, 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5, minus 5 and so on. Here also same numbers 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5, minus 5 and so on. 0 and x equal to 0, 0 and x equal to 1, 1 is more than 0, that is 1. 2 is also more than 0, 1. Minus 2 is less than 0, its value is minus 1. 3 is more than 0, its value is 3 is more than 0, its value is 1. Is it 1 1? No. Ella elements 1 kade meter it is not 1 1. Is it onto ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ onto ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 0 1 0 minus 1 ಮೂರೇ ಇದೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ range is not equal to real number here ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಇವು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 so here range of f is not equal to real number because range is only 3 numbers namely 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 is not equal to real numbers. More real number alla so many real numbers. Definition of onto all the elements of second set is associated with its images in the first set. Now here range of f is not equal to real number, that is codomain is not equal to range. Therefore f is not onto. F is not onto. That signum function is not 1 1, not onto. 1 1 ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ onto ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Clear students? So each problem carries 2 marks. They will be asking final exam in your question paper part B question 2 mark question. ಹೇಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 5 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡದೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay? Now next problem we will discuss remaining problems in next class. Okay students? Thank you.